Guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create hair videos, beauty videos, and lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button in the corner for me. Also hit that notification bell if you want to see future uploads. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing my wash routine, one of my wash routines, because honey, I don't have one. But I'm going to be showing you guys and walking you guys through my process. If you are natural, you already know this process is long. This process it's intense. But yeah, if you want to see my wash day routine, definitely stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm just using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo as my shampoo for today, because I do have a little bit of product buildup from my last style, and I just like to focus more so on my roots at first, and then I'll go in and I'll do a second wash and I'll focus a little bit on my ends, but not really. But yeah, we're gonna be doing this today, and I am not a shower person when it comes to washing my hair. I probably washed my hair in the shower a couple times, and that's only because I was in a rush to get somewhere and I was trying to kill two birds with one stone, you guys. So I am a sink girl. I've tried the shower, but I am really like anal when it comes to stuff like that, like with hair touching me and my bare skin. It's just so weird. But yeah, this is all I'm doing. I'm just shampooing the hair. Okay, so once I've shampooed my hair, I like to go in and condition my hair. I'm going to be using their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Condition, and I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. It was section. I try to leave it sectioned when it's washing, but they don't always work, so let me just do that. Okay, so now that everything is sectioned off, I'm going to be taking that conditioner and we're just going to be like plastering it all over the section, and then we're going to detangle. And y'all, I go in with the conditioner, and it's been sitting by my heater, so it's warm, so this should be a good thing. Oh, that feels nice. Huh? That feels good. I didn't even do that on purpose. But it's all nice and warm. So like my hair shouldn't be too tangled, considering like I've been keeping it braided the weekend, and I braided it last night, and I just took it loose for work, and that was it. So I'm then going to be going in with this detangler. I was talking about this, y'all, I got hair everywhere. I've been talking about this on my Instagram story maybe a week or so ago. Yeah, my last wash day. And I had this for like a year, y'all. A whole year. And I was using it to scratch my scalp when I wash my hair. And I was just, I don't know, I just thought about using it as a detangler because none of the tools I use really detangles my hair the way I like it. Like, I just been having issues with other tools, and I spent like $7 on a brush, girl. Maybe it's me, maybe I don't know how to use the tool. Oh god, I'm spitting. But it's always that one hair in the back that just don't want to do right. Maybe I'm not using it right. I don't know. I didn't throw it away or anything because I'm gonna keep trying. But when I detangle my hair, with this tool. The last time I was like, oh yeah, this is it. And you want to do this nice and slow. Like, my finger's so small it won't even like stay inside the little ring, but I'm just gonna go with it. Alright, so now that I have my conditioner all over my head, I'm just going to be taking a grocery bag. You can use a plastic cap. I'm not a plastic cap, so I'm just going to use what I have, and I'm just going to put that over my head. Yeah, I'm going to let this conditioner sit for about, I'm going to do about 5 to 10 minutes, if I don't forget. I'm going to set my timer on my phone. I'm going to do about 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to come back and we're going to be using a new mask. Alright you guys, so I rinsed that conditioner out my hair. Now we are going to be applying a hair mask. I'm going to be using a new product. This is my very first time using this product. Daisy sent me this product. This is ADA Hair. I hope I'm saying that right. She sent me some hair products, and one happens to be a hair mask, and I'm super excited about this. Y'all cannot even talk and going so fast. I am super excited about this because I was literally just saying how I wanted to buy a hair mask, and she was so kind to let me try her hair products. So everything will be in the description box. But this is the cheap hair mask. Hope y'all can see that a little bit. And it says this is a hair mask that deep conditions, moisturizes, keep your hair soft and vibrant, promotes growth, retention, and breakage prevention. So she sent me a hair mask. I have a butter, and I have a hair growth oil and a cheap oil. So y'all gonna be seeing those the next couple videos. But yeah, let's get this product in my hair. I don't know why, but like every time I rinse product out my hair or use a shampoo, like my little twisties, they do what they want to do. But my hair is already feeling super soft just from the Shea Moisture products, especially that conditioner. And I only let it sit for 10 minutes. So let's do this real quick. So let's get into this product. Ooh, it's going everywhere. She's going everywhere. Y'all hope me putting it by my heat ain't mess up the product, honestly. Like, I just kind of let it sit while I rinse my hair out. But let me do this. Alright, so I'm not gonna do that because you can see, let me just try this. It is a very like loose product, and like I always have hair in my mouth. It has like a natural scent, like it don't have like a fragrance smell good to it. It's just straight up natural, and it has like these little red specks in it, and it looks like that. So I'm just gonna be putting that all over my hair, and I love hair products in a jar because my little fat hands be digging, child. I will use the products, but I cannot stand having to squeeze products out of a bottle. It's just so hard for me, especially when you do your hair and everything gets slippery. So I like that it is in a jar. I'm not sure what the red specks are, but they're kind of like little beads. I don't know, maybe it's from that plant, but it says it has, let's read that. Is this the one? Okay, so the ingredients are mango butter, chia powder, raw honey, organic castor oil, water, rosemary oil, and vitamin A. So that's everything that's in this product, and I'm just trying to lather this on. Oh, this is very, look at my curls, this is very moisturizing. It's not super thick. Just trying to get the gist of the product. Do y'all hear that? Alright, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and I'll be talking again. Alright, so I'm going to be putting another plastic bag on my hair, and I'm going to be adding my little blow dryer, overhood blow dryer, and I'm just going to be adding heat. Y'all, I'm going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. I'm going to do 15 minutes, and I'm going to come back. We're going to add our leave-in, and that's going to be my wash day routine, guys. Alright, you guys, so we're going to be applying the leave-in. The leave-in for this wash day, I'm going to be using the African Prize Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab Oil. It says to hydrate and strengthen, and I've used this before. I absolutely love this leave-in. It leaves my hair super moisturized, and I don't know, it just leaves it really, really soft. Like, this is something that my hair loves. But once I put that all over the hair, I'm just going to be taking that Chebe oil, and I'm going to be putting that on the hair as well. And y'all, that is all. Like, that is my wash day routine. If you enjoyed this video, definitely leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not, and I will see y'all in my next video.